I had to stop vlogging for a second because I saw some of my students and I didn't want them to see me vlogging. I don't want them to know that we are one and the same. So here I am in Sao Miguel Island. Specifically, this is the city of Ponta Delgada. And oh my gosh, I absolutely fell in love with this place. Very small cars, very like European. You see the weather, I told y'all it was real cloudy. I was super excited to get off the ship and explore. But check this, only one of us had a working map on our phone. I know, I'm just playing. There was only 2 of us who had working maps. It doesn't make it any better, but we managed. Nothing, and I mean nothing, could have prepared me for the hike to our first agenda. My edges weren't even prepared, okay? They're gone. They are not laid anymore. Look at that. That's the European heat for you. Walking up to the plantation and I almost mistaken it for a festival because of all the white tents. We got closer and good Lord, those were the mini greenhouses filled with pineapples. There was one tent where we got to see different stages of the pineapples, and they also had a really cute museum there too. But on to the real reason I was there, honey. They had pineapple ice cream, pineapple jam, etc. You name it, they had it. Honestly, I would rate this a 10 out of 10 experience, especially the ice cream for my lactose intolerant babies. The ice cream was sorbet, so no worries, no mumbling, grumbling in the tummy. But y'all are not ready for what we've decided to do for the next day. So we finished the pineapple farm. Now we're in people's neighborhoods. Figure it out. Look at these houses. First of all, so beautiful. Honestly, it's been a really long morning. Walking back to my ship alone right now. My ship. The ship that I'm working on. Walking back alone. Just got some Tylenol. Honestly feeling tired, but the next thing on the list is to go to the lava caves, which is gonna be awesome. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna walk my ass. Hi! Some of my students that have trained. Stay tuned. We can do some fun shit. And yeah, so psych. I'm actually not going to the ship because it took me 15 minutes to actually get there, and I only had 20 minutes to meet back up with some friends. It was actually at 6 minutes I realized that I effed up. So I turned around and now I'm taking the more scenic route of Azores, Portugal. As y'all can see in the background, all these nice boats, and then there's ours over there, way over there. But yeah, taking the more scenic route. As you can see, it's like little carnivals and stuff like that. You can see that this city really values community. When I tell y'all, there are like a lot of like park spaces, there are a lot of just places for people to commune and like just be in each other's presence versus like, you know, a lot of places in the US. And this is not to bash, this is just realizations that I'm making. So hold your horse, don't get mad. And if you get mad, that's fine. Get mad at your local government. They don't got more spaces for y'all to congregate, to get together, to speak to one another. Because after that pandemic, people don't really get together that much anymore. It's like the pandemic gave a lot of people excuses, or it just solidified how much we don't like each other. So it's one or the other, or more. I'm coming up on where I'm supposed to be meeting up with them, and hopefully they don't leave me. I'm coming. I want the world to know. It's so bad I'm literally holding my own arm. Forgot my tripod. So y'all gonna deal with all the shakiness. Yeah. I'm coming. I had to stop vlogging for a second because I saw some of my students and I didn't want them to see me vlogging. I don't want them to know that we are one and the same. The very next say we woke up at the ass crack of dawn to bike the circumference of a volcano. Insane! But nothing was more rewarding than pushing myself mentally and physically. It really helped that others who were, with me on this ride were being so supportive, and they just wanted to see you succeed. Honestly, through this experience, I learned that I'm the type of girlie, when I go on vacation, I am willing to exercise. I'm willing to do the damn thing. And you know what? I love that for me. There was this one guy in our group though, I'm not gonna lie, this man was flying through this experience. For me, the incline up to this circumference of the volcano, it was eating me up. So naturally, I needed to stop, taking the experience, the views, the people that we saw along the way, and the fresh air. And most importantly, most importantly, I needed to take a break. I needed to catch my breath. Before y'all ask, did I train for this? If it wasn't apparent then, I'm an adventurer. Hope it's clear now. Absolutely not. Would I do this again? Hell yeah. Ooh, and I almost forgot to tell y'all. So the bike ride was supposed to only be 22 miles. And I say only lightly because I know that, only is actually kind of crazy to say with 22 miles. But get this, we actually ended up doing 27 miles and I was the group leader. I had the GPS. So forgive me, y'all, my group. I think they forgive me. We got to enjoy all this beautiful scenery. So, not too much on me. But yeah. My mom is gonna be like, oh my God. She's gonna feel like she's here with me.
Mama. Where's the ship? Can you see the ship from here?
Hell no.
On the wrong side. Make darling cry.
Oh.
I'm not here in this car.
Tomorrow.
Running people over.
It doesn't even matter.